What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, and we got a Summit truck, man. We gotta hit the road. Hit the road, man. I got to get these parts for Summit, man. Stuff went wrong with my order and all that other stuff. I had did next day, so now I got to just go ahead and get them. I need these parts for Dolo, and got to get this thing running, man. Get this thing ready, get everything going, cause Dolo got to go to Hustle Hard Monday, and I'm trying to have everything ready basically so I can go Monday, cause this is a little hard for me. So I can just get up in the morning, drop it off, and Frank got everything he needs. So that's what we doing, man. We headed to Summit, go pick some stuff up, man. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna grab, what you'll need, some of the stuff you need for a fuel system, fuel cell and all that. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. We checking in. Y'all see what I made up here to Summit? Boom, up here again, man. These folks here get so much money out of me, it ain't even funny. So we finna go in here, and we finna go in here, man, get this stuff for Dolo. Might go ahead and grab a new filter for the Camaro too. I don't know yet. I don't know what I'm gonna grab, man. I'm just gonna come here and get what I need to get so far. That's the plan. So we're gonna see what we got. See what's in here on the turntable. See what's on the turntable today, y'all. Old Vet. Classic Vet in here, man. I didn't start keeping more cars in here now. We still got the boy, it's dark in here. Let me see. Line y'all up. We ain't got, man, still a line, y'all. This thing here clean. Yes, indeed. Oh, he got some. Yeah, that was clean. But yeah, y'all, let's go get these parts, man. Go get in line and all of that. Then I'm gonna check back in after I get everything I need. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, Brown Coat gang, man, I'm back. But I've been back, really. I just got finished working out. But this is stuff that came in the other day. I'll set y'all up right here, cause this video you want to talk about. You want to learn something? This one of the videos where you gonna learn something. Cause you know, people be wanting to do these cars, and then they be talking about the price when somebody's selling them. Like I keep telling people all the time. I keep reminding people they should have bought Dolo. Should have bought it. More people saw me put that car together, man. Like how much money went into it. The whole thing was built. What did thing look like here? Crooked. It look like y'all crooked. Here we go. I don't know. We're gonna have to ride right there. But anyway, y'all. So show y'all these fuel system components. We gotta upgrade the fuel system on Dolo. Show me frame. We gotta upgrade the I feel like I need to come back some, man. I feel like I need to bring it back. Bring it back. Hey, my boy Jeezy say. Feel like we need to bring y'all back. Come on, y'all, trying to get this thing straight, man. There we go. Got all this stuff in the garage. Need to go in the new stores. Anyway, but yeah. So we're gonna be talking about the fuel system today. It don't matter if it's Box 7, Mustang, F-body, Cutlass, Energy body. It don't matter. When you making more power, bigger motor, more powerful motor, fuel system is a must. So this the type of stuff people don't see on the car. When you price a car, all they looking at is the paint, the rims, what type of motor you got. They don't know what's in the motor, how much it costs, and listen to how it sounds. They don't see all this stuff right here running under the car, or people don't know about these little fittings. They look pretty. Well, that's a feed line. They look pretty, but sometimes you need them. All these little fittings right here, just dump them out. All these little fittings, this stuff add up. So with these fittings, now not this, we ain't count this. This a tire, this a gauge, man. I've been needing it for the track. Tell my tire pressure. This electronic, it's a high dollar one. This one like 100, 130 something, 140 something dollars, I think. It ain't no cheating. But shout out to my guy Reggie at Summit, man. He recommended it, so I told whatever he put in the cart, I'm gonna get. So we ain't counting it. Everything else is fuel system. So we got a new dual feed line, right? New dual feed line, braided line right there, everything black. Cause I don't like this steel braided line, man. That's what me and Rich were talking about that summer. I don't really like the steel braided line, man. I don't like the new stuff. So you know, it's gonna cost. It's gonna cost. Now you can do this a little cheaper, but you know, you wanna do it once or twice, or how frequently do you wanna do it? It still go bad. So with all this stuff, upgrading the fuel system, it's big, man. I wanna get up and tell pop. But anyway, you can, like, all this stuff upgrading the fuel system, you're looking at, roughly off the top of my head, it probably about $1,200. It's just in hoses and fittings, dual feed line, and the fuel cell. Now, you can save a little bit on the fuel cell, but still you making some power, some real power. You're gonna have to put a sump in your tank. So then you put a sump in your tank. Man, I got to hit this thing, man. That thing there is annoying. I'm finna take him out, y'all, on camera. Y'all can see me take it out on camera. Or y'all can get to show one. Let me see. Let me see, y'all. Where he at? He's scared now. He don't want to come out. He done went up there. There you go, look. Finna give y'all some company, boy. Finna take him out. There you go, look at it. Look at it. Come on over here. Took off. He knew what was right for him. He knew what was right for him. But anyway, let me stop playing. But nah. But seriously, these little fittings right here, this stuff costs a lot, man. Then you got fuel filters. You gotta have fuel filters. So this is a -10 fuel filter. So coming off the gas of the fuel cell, gas tank, we'll say gas tank, make it easy for some people. This is a big old filter. This is a -10 fuel filter for a -10 line. That's what side my fuel line is. So you want to put this in between your gas tank and the pump, the fuel pump. You don't want no tread going in your pump. Trust me. I always run a filter in between my tank and pump. Now, cause some tread got in my tank and big meats, tearing up pumps left and right. So instead of dropping the tank, I put a filter and it stopped me. Then you want another filter, obviously, in between your regulator and your carburetor. I hope everybody got that anyway. A filter before your carburetor. So basically, this filter right here go before this line right here. Gonna go before the carb line. Filter coming out the regulator. You got to have this stuff. And then, you know, these billet filter housings and stuff. So then you got all these fittings, right? You got your -10 fittings. Then we got a return line. When you run a fuel cell, somebody put in the comment too. I forgot to add that in the video. I'm glad they put that. But yeah, you want to run a return line. Return line save everything from vapor locking anyway. So you got the -8 return line, and you know it depends on what kind of fuel cell you got or whatever. So this right here, once again, this the expensive hose. So this right here, like $160 some dollars. This was $160 just for this roll right here. A fuel line. We're gonna put everything there, all going in the same spot. And then the fittings. Now, this is this for the vent. It's for the vent, cause you need to run a vent on your fuel cell too. You need to run a vent, just like your gas tank got a vent. Cause the gas tank, they'll build pressure up inside their tank, so they need to vent that pressure off. So sometimes, and it still build pressure up sometimes, cause you'll twist your gas cap off, you'll hear that pressure relieving. That's what a vent for. So you got to have a vent. But nah, we're gonna put these back in the bag. But then the fittings, I got -10 and -8 fittings. That's a cap. -10 and -8 fittings, and I got a 90 and a straight of every fitting. I had ordered 2 of them. So a straight fitting like this, and I got a 92 just in case. Like when I take my stuff to somebody, I don't like them saying, calling me, AJ, we need this or we missing that. So normally what I do, I spend extra money. So I bought a lot of extra fittings, which also added to the total. That's why I said it roughly probably about I said 12, it probably like $1,100 with stuff that I need, that I'm actually gonna use, probably like $1,100. But I spend extra so they don't have to be running, Jay, I need this, I need that. I know it's either when you run a fuel line on a box Chevy, you're gonna either use 90s or you're gonna use straights. Either 90-degree bends or straights. Every now and then you need a 45, but it just depends on how you want it to look and all that. So that's what I'm saying. It's stuff like this. People are looking on your hood and they don't know how much it costs, cause a lot of people watch. All they know is about the cost of wheels, about the cost of a paint job, or the cost of interior or music. They don't know nothing when it comes to performance stuff. I'm telling you, performance stuff ain't cheap. When you got somebody building a car like I build one, and not just solely focus on cosmetic. I'm not talking about no stock rebuild now, just a little mild motor you can get done for about 3 bands, even 5. That ain't a lot of money in a motor. Not getting it built, running and all that. That ain't no money in an engine. Cause a $5,000 engine, you ain't got to do stuff like this. You ain't got to upgrade the fuel line and system and all. You don't have to. It don't need it. It don't make that type of power. So when you get into one of these cars that's got a serious engine, people don't see stuff like this. Like my car now, people see Big Dolo, right? And they'll look at how it look. It need a paint job. Big Dolo need a paint job. So people be like, man, you crazy, this and that. All the money that's in my car in the drivetrain right now, the rim, the stuff like the housing cover, they were like $300. This stuff right here, $1,100 fuel system. The engine, I ain't getting into the engine. The engine costs, but you know, the engine, the transmission, which I'm blessed on the transmission. You know, Showtime Transmission is my sponsor, so on that, so I'm blessed right there. But still, you know, the stuff it'll take to build it, and this and that. And you know, when I change over to Ultra Bell, I'm gonna have to buy the Ultra Bell. The Ultra Bell almost $400. So you know, people don't see that stuff. That's what I'm saying, man. Like when you put a price on a car, the first thing they look at is how it look. They can't see all up on that car. That's why I was like, when I put that price on Dolo with the wheels on it, even though they were budget wheels, it was a giveaway. And somebody that know and watch and saw me put this car together know that, you know, the brake system, all that stuff was done. It was done budget oriented, but it was all new. It was all new. So now, you know, it's been sitting in the weather, so the brakes good, but I'm just saying appearance wise. So now I'm about to go cross drill, sliding the cross drill, real disc in the back. I got some real deal suspension on the way. So now the price going up, cause now I'm spending real money. Like the shocks, the shocks are right on the 2,000 just for the shocks. So, you know, and I get real deal performance stuff. I don't get it for the look. Like I know a lot of people get these shocks, get the car over just cause they want to raise their car up and down. Nah, I don't get them for that. I get them cause for performance, like the way they built and stuff, for the weight of my car and all of that. They're gonna be for this box Chevy, not just bought off the shelf. They for the weight and load of this car and all of that. So now it's, you know, that's what I'm saying. If I sell it now, it's gonna be a real deal check. Like the interior, man, the Impala seats, going to buy the Impala seats, having them fitted and all that. Then the dash, I'm finna put in here and all this stuff. And people, you know, I'm not worried about music and cosmetic stuff right now, cause that stuff easy. Get the car running right first, perform how you want to perform, then go to it. You know, like the nitrous system. You know, that stuff, like all this stuff high, man. All this stuff high. So, you know, that's why I said it be the stuff people don't see. That's why I want to go over this for somebody that wanted to do a fuel system, or needing a fuel system. Or maybe you don't need it. Maybe you just want to look better, perform better. A bigger fuel line not gonna hurt, as long as you got a regulator and you regulate your fuel. So yeah, this all the stuff needed. Said dash 8 line. Then you got a dash 10 right here. This the main fuel line. That thing there was high. All the fittings. Those are the straps for the fuel cell. Then you got the fuel cell. So I mean, then the filters and stuff. So you know, stuff add up, man. Stuff add up. But yeah, this simple video. I just want to go over it, like the cost and stuff, keep y'all in the loop. Actually, the car actually going to go to Lawless and get the fuel system done. And Lawless cause I think Frank backed up and stuff, man. I don't be want to try to jump in. You can't jump in line no way. But I know Frank, man. So it's hard performing. They busy now. Told y'all hit them up though. Do some good work. So you know, stuff like this, I always go to I go to one of my other people. Y'all know I use the same people anyway, man. I keep it in a circle. I got the same circle of people I use. Somebody ever ask me, I'm gonna recommend them to the same people all the time. So it'll be going to Lawless. I already talked to Jesse. It'll be going over there next week, man. I'm probably gonna drop it off Monday because he said he want to start on it about Tuesday. So I probably take the car over there Monday, drive it over there and drop it off. And I'm gonna let him go ahead and do the fuel system. So it won't be cutting out no more. The radius will fit. And then the nitrous too. I'm gonna tell him go ahead and tune the nitrous and step it up and all of that. So it's gonna be ready. When I pick it up from Lawless, it'll be ready. And Jesse do this stuff pretty fast. So I don't know, man. I just be waiting on the track then. I'm waiting on the track to open. Then I'm gonna go let it eat. Let it eat then. It's gonna do what it do for real. Then we're gonna hit the dyno again. Cause it won't be cutting out. Should make a whole lot of more. Y'all know what I say, a lot of more horsepower. So yeah, man, that's it, man. We got everything. We got everything we need now. Drivetrain wise, Big Dolo finna be done. Big Dolo finna be done, man. Only thing I'm gonna have to do is throw my shocks on when the shocks come in. They getting built. And Progressive, my Progressive controller. That's it. That's it, man. I just want to do this. Progressive controller gonna come in there last. Cause I ain't even got no wheels right now. I really don't need that until I get my 26s. Till I get some 26s on it. When I get 26s on it, we're gonna put the Progressive controller on there, throw a ramp in it and stuff, and then I'll be running on the 26s then. Yeah, so you know. And then I readjust the shocks and suspension and all that to run on the 26s. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's the plan. So Big Dolo about 100% complete, man. It's up to the point where just enjoy it. Then probably around November, man, I might sit the car down and then start on cosmetic stuff. Cause that's stuff that be out of my control too. Really out of my control. Like, getting the car painted, interior done, getting it ready for next year, and it'll be 100% complete next year and all that. Y'all keep asking about wifey car, man. I'm gonna check on wifey car this weekend. But at the end, that wifey car, man, I just check on it and see what's going on. But the update's gonna be on her channel. That ain't my car. That ain't my car. My job is done. I put the engine in it. I showed y'all that part. But that wifey car, man, it getting painted. I'ma go over there and check on it and stuff. And you know, if it's something to film, we'll get the footage and she'll have it on her channel and all that. But the car is being worked. Y'all gonna see it, man. I think we finna go ahead and buy the wheels for it. Buy her wheels so they can start processing and stuff. So I'm hit up CJ for that. Get some 22s. Get that going, cause I know it probably gonna take, man. Wheels been crazy getting wheels, man. That's why I'm looking for something used for Dolo so I can start running. Like I'm not gonna buy no new wheels for Dolo right now. But yeah, and then meats. Gotta put meats together. I'm finna have all this stuff cooking. Cause meat's gonna be a killer. That's all I can say. Meat's gonna be a killer. But yeah, that's it, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. I probably catch y'all tomorrow. Car meet is when y'all looking at this. Y'all looking at this Saturday. The car meet is tomorrow. Come out tomorrow. So yeah, y'all will see a vlog. The car meet is tomorrow, man. If you ain't got nothing to do, you need to come out. The sun, and weather gonna be great. It's gonna be cars. I'm gonna have all three of them out there. Big Dolo, John Jones, and Rhythm and Blues. And then, you know, the fam will be out there. And then look crazy. He gonna have Michael Myers cut this out there and all that. So y'all come out, man. Come out. So I'm gonna catch y'all later. I'm out.